Hello everyone, I want to quickly go over how to do a graph using spreadsheets. So first things first, you got to go into your drive and then click Google Spreadsheet. That's one way to get to it, or you can click the Google app and then click on Sheet. So once you have your sheet open, you're going to want to fill it out similar to this. So you have your days, whatever days you took data, whatever your variable is. Obviously not everyone did sugar water, so please change this, and then water. And this is going to be your average growth for day 1, day 2, not every single individual seed. And also notice there's no label here, so make sure when you're done it looks somewhat similar to this. Then what you're going to do next is you are going to highlight your data, go to Insert, Chart, and then you have your chart. Now you're going to have to tweak this. There's some things missing here, and how to tweak it. And you're going to want to have a line graph because, again, these points are connected. They're the same seeds we're measuring every single day. So a line graph to connect those points, it makes sense. Not a bar graph because that's going to be individual and not connected. And so here we have our line graph. Now you're going to customize up here, and you're going to want to change your title. Now notice here it says sugar water and water. Now that title should summarize everything that's occurring and shown in this graph. That doesn't give you enough information. You need to include what's on your Y, and that is the growth of the seed. So you're going to want to change this, and I'm not going to do it for you, but to include something about growth and the effects on growth using different solutions, whatever you want. But it should include growth and basically your IV. So it includes IV and DV. So then from there, you're going to want to scroll down to horizontal. Notice days are already in there. You're going to want to change your vertical. And whatever this is, remember this should be our DV because dry mix. DV, so D, dry, DY. Notice that's your y-axis then. And you should include a label there, and then you should be done. So now I have my chart here. I'm just going to notice the blue around it. I'm going to hit Control-C. I've copied it now. I'm then going to go into my seed lab, so let's just whatever, Google Doc. I'm then going to have Control-V, or hit Control-V. Now this chart should go below your data table. It makes more sense to go there in your lab report. And I would like a summary. Now the summary should just be like our lens activity, the very last part of it. What can you learn from this graph? Like, what is it telling us? So you should state, a simple thing of the experiment and just the quick results that you read from there. So kind of restate the experiment that you did this over 7 days. So kind of looking there. And then what were the results? What is this graph showing us? Once you're done with that, you're done with this and you can move on to your conclusion. Your conclusion, make sure that you have a paragraph and you hit all the points in your rubric. So good luck, get A's, have a great day.